Like, once I started my lip gloss, at first I was like, oh my God, everybody sells lip gloss. But you want to know something? No one I know personally sells lip gloss. Now that I'm doing it, I realize because a lot of people who knows me personally is hitting me up like, oh my God, how do you do that? How did you sell lip gloss? How did you find a lip gloss tube? How did you do it? How? They don't know. They don't have a clue of how to even start a business. And I'm leaving me lonely. Now I'm sitting here stuck like a welcome to my channel. This is your girl Diamond, and welcome back to my new series, New Year, New Business for 2020. So guys, I want to kick off this video. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to tell you guys thank you so much for being here on my channel. I appreciate you guys. If this is your first time watching my videos, I just started this lip gloss business for 2020. Not only do I have lip gloss, I have underwear, lashes, different scented lip glosses, lip oils, and everything else. I have lots more to come to the site. So I just want to give you guys an update on how everything's been going with my business so far for 2020 for everybody out there that's been thinking about launching their own lip gloss business or just been thinking about launching a business, period. I've been in business for about a month now. Toodles to me. And I just want to share with you guys my experiences, things that went good, things that weren't so good, and things that I plan on improving for my second month in business, okay? So in my last video, I basically introduced to you guys my brand ambassadors and explained to you guys why I chose them as my brand ambassadors, why they were lit, and, you know, gave you guys pointers on how to choose your own brand ambassadors to help grow your page. So I'm so excited because I've been on Instagram and YouTube for about a month now promoting this business, and I want to show you guys my Instagram. I've been very consistent. That's the number one key, consistency on your Instagram page, okay? I'm very consistent on my page. I post at least 2 to 3 times a day consistently, and I'm always posting in my Insta stories, okay? As you guys can see, this is my Insta story for yesterday. It's me promoting, if you guys can see. So guys, go follow my page, u.i.a by Diamond, and that's it, UIA by Diamond on Instagram. So I want to show you guys my Instagram page so you guys can see. In 1 month, I already have 87. Hopefully you guys can see that. I already have 87 posts. That's because I've been posting every day consistently. So that will show on your posts, okay? 87 posts. That's 3 posts a day. Sometimes I might have slacked and did 2, but that's consistent posting. Now on my, I'm so excited because on my Instagram page, okay, just yesterday I hit 400 followers, so I'm super excited about that. I know you guys are like, 400 followers, that ain't nothing. 400 followers is a lot when you're coming from nothing and you are starting a business page, okay? It's a lot. So I have 411 followers. Hopefully you guys can see that. I have 411 followers as of this morning, and I'm super excited about that. As you guys can see, this is my page. It's very beautiful, very all about my business, promoting all my products, promoting my eyelashes, promoting my underwear, promoting my socks, promoting my lip glosses. As you guys can see, I'm not screen recording, so hopefully you guys can have an idea of how I made my page, how beautiful, how consistent, and yeah, it's just super dope. And yeah, you know, super lit, okay? I'm super excited about that, about how my page is coming out, just the whole look of the whole Instagram, because that's key to making more sales. Now that I said, oops, now that I said sales, I know you guys are like, girl, skip to the point. Where's the sales? Did you make any sales? How's everything going with that? Now, if we want to get to sales, guys, when I started my business, UIA by Diamond, underneath it all, I expressed to you guys it's about women empowerment, women feeling beautiful on the inside as well as the out, okay? And I just wanted to empower women to know that yes, we can wear eyelashes and lip gloss and makeup and weave and everything, but you need to be a beautiful person from the inside out, period, okay? So when I started this, I did not expect to make any sales because I'm new in the business. There's so many other lip gloss businesses out there. Shout out to Bougie Barbie. Shout out to Mocha Peak Beauty. Shout out to Made by Ari. Okay, I watch all these girls also on YouTube, and they inspired me to start this channel. Okay, so there's so many other lip gloss vendors out there. I didn't really expect to make any sales, you know, because they say, you know, friends, family don't support. But guys, I must say, I launched this business and my friends and family members actually supported, guys. So shout out to everyone that's been shopping with me. Like, I'm so excited, guys. Like, it's crazy. Like, so far I made about six sales. I made about 6 sales on the internet, you know, online. And I also made sales outside of the internet because I'm always out. I have business cards. I go out promoting my business cards. That's key too, guys. Don't forget to promote your business everywhere you go. Have cards on you. Wear your products so people can ask you, oh my God, if they ask you like, oh my God, where did you get that? You can be like, oh girl, this is, you know, this is me. Here's a card. So I made sales offhand also, which really contributed to my sales. I'm super excited about it. So like I said, guys, it's only been a month. I made about 6 sales on, I use Shopify.com for my website. It's about $30 a month. So I literally had thought I was going to come out of pocket for my first couple of months on Shopify, but thanks to the Lord up above, I actually made sales, so I was actually able to put that money back into my business. So I'm super excited about that. I have new merch coming, new items on the way, and period, things like that. Another thing I did that helped grew my page out was my brand ambassadors, okay? My brand ambassadors have been super lit, super consistent at promoting my business. Like, they've been promoting my business like it's their business, like every day getting up, posting about my business. And like I told you guys before, choose the right brand ambassadors that's gonna run the business or promote the business as if it's their own, okay? Don't pick the fakes. Don't pick the fakes that just want your money or just want your merch, okay? So what I'm gonna do, instead of just keep showing you guys on my phone, is I'm gonna insert videos of showing you guys how my brand ambassadors are promoting for me. I'm gonna show you things they've been posting, just promoting my lip glosses, promoting my lingerie, and it's been working. I've been getting followers also from my brand ambassadors, so shout out to them. I did a whole video on them, my last video, so you guys check that out. Don't forget to check it out. I'm gonna leave clips to show you guys how they promote for me, how they go hard, so you can see what you need your brand ambassadors to be doing for you. And another thing I want to tell you guys is to appreciate
this is dope, guys.
Okay, right?
Smells so good.
You know, communicate.
Tastes so yummy.
You know, even if you get 1 follower a day, 3 followers a day, it doesn't matter. Just stay consistent, and you more will come. Okay, and treat them all cool. Another thing I did so far in my 1 month update is I had a giveaway, guys. I'm gonna also post my giveaway flyer in here so you guys can see my flyer that I promoted for about a week to have people follow the page and tag friends under the post to gain more followers. That also helped me gain a couple of followers. And I had 3 giveaway winners. And, you know, I already shipped out their packages. They have already won their prizes, and they're super excited about it. So shout out to all my 3 giveaway winners. I'll post all that in here. I'll insert it so you guys can see. And now I told you guys that I'm at 411 followers as of today, okay? So I am planning another giveaway, which is going to be my 500 follower giveaway. So let me tell you guys about a mistake I made. I did a 400 follower giveaway when I was at about 200 and something followers. I didn't realize that I should wait till I get to 400 followers, then do the giveaway. I was at 200 and something, and I started promoting a 400 follower giveaway because I thought once you started promoting the giveaway, people were tagging their friends and they start to follow. Once I get from 200 to 400, then I'll pick the winner. But obviously that was taking forever because I wasn't gaining hundreds of followers a day. You understand? I was mainly gaining like 2 followers a day, 5 followers, 6 followers. So it was going to take me forever to get to 400 followers, which I just got to 400 followers. So shout out to that. So what I decided to do now is my next giveaway, which I'm going to do a 500 follower giveaway. I'm going to wait until I hit 500 followers. Then I'll promote the giveaway for about 3 to 4 days. Right? Doesn't that make way more sense? That's why you have to start your business so you can learn and grow. We're going to make mistakes. We're going to figure things out the easy way to make it easier for us. So I want to show you guys an exclusive look at my 500 follower giveaway prize. Okay, my giveaways are going to be super dope. They're going to be different every time. I'm going to always give away different items. My first giveaway, I gave away 2 squeeze tubes to 3 people. So that was about 6 squeeze tubes. I gave them away. They loved them. So for my 500 follower giveaway, I have something special in this box that I will be giving to my 500 follower giveaway. And I'm going to show it to you guys on my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel is super UIA exclusive. So you guys want to see what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Just know UIA is all about women, and I'm going to give away things that all us women love and need. Okay? So, I'm trying to see if I'm doing a thumbnail, y'all. Okay. So, what's in the box? Can you guess? Voila! A fresh full set. Diamond out, studded out nail set. Can you say lit? Can you say lit? Okay. So this will be my prize for my 500 follower giveaway. And I know whatever lady wins these sets of nails, they're going to be super excited. It's ready for a time out there. You just need to super glue them on. You look like you went to the nail salon and you spent about $100 for these diamonds. Okay. I'm super excited to give this away because like I just love to like bless people and give people things that I know they love, you know, things I know I love. So I only sell things I will wear, I will love. I'm not going to be giving away whack stuff. And just know the more followers I gain, the more items I will be giving away. Like I have so many giveaway items like just lined up, like, oh, after I give out this, next. Like my giveaways are going to be crazy. I know when I promote this giveaway, it's going to go crazy. And I'm super excited about it. So like I told you guys, I've been in business for 1 month. I have also added some new colors to my site. I thought I had the other one here, but I don't see it. But this is one. This one is called Her. I literally added her to the site about 3 to 4 days ago. As you know, all my lip glosses has the mirror logos. I explained how I did all of that in my other video, so you guys can go watch those. Also has the LED lights. So you know, this color is called Her. Oh my god, I love this one. It smells amazing. And another thing I want to tell you guys is when your followers give you suggestions, listen to your followers. Pay attention. I had colors on my site. A couple of females hit me up in my DM and they're like, oh my god, can you do like a soft pink, like for us ladies, you know what I'm saying? So then boom, her was born. I have a Bridezilla. That's like more of a darker pink, purplish pink. This is more of a light pink, you know, and it smells amazing. And as soon as I put it on the site, guess who sold some? I did. Okay. So that's my new color, her. Y'all can go check out the website, download. Just follow me on Instagram, u.i.a by Diamond. BYDYMON. I'm gonna leave links and everything. Follow my page. I'm gonna have videos all the time letting you guys know ups and downs of my business, what's been going on. I've been in business over a month, and I did over $100 in sales. So that's pretty dope to me because I didn't plan on making any money. Like, I just planned on promoting as you should. Promote. That's all I was trying to focus on. But the fact that I started making money, I was like, yes, you know what I'm saying? I was super excited about it, and I'm just super excited for this business. So follow my channel if you guys want to see somebody starting from the ground up doing these videos. I'm not sure my next video is going to be about, but I'm just gonna always come on here and share with you guys my progress and everything that's been going on with Underneath It All by Diamond, and that's me. Okay, so if you want to be a dime and be a part of the dime crew, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend about my channel. A new lip gloss channel is up and popping. Okay, and I'm here to stay, and this is my 1 month update. So you guys stay tuned for me because I have lots more videos to come. And like I said, guys, if you've been thinking about starting a business, especially the lip gloss business, start it today. Like, I know we be on YouTube watching these videos about lip gloss filling and how to make lip gloss. A lot of people, not because you see everyone doing it, means everyone around you sees everyone doing it. We all are different people. Like, once I started my lip gloss, at first I was like, oh my god, everybody sells lip gloss. But you want to know something? No one I know personally sells lip gloss. Now that I'm doing it, I realize because a lot of people who knows me personally is hitting me up like, oh my god, how do you do that? How did you sell lip gloss? How did you find a lip gloss tube? How did you do it? How? They don't know. They don't have a clue of how to even start a business. And I had to start a business to actually realize that, like, ever since I started my business, the amount of people that's been hitting me up in my DM like, oh my god, Diamond, how did you do this? Can you help me with this? So now I see why a lot of these businesses have seminars and one-on-one consultations and stuff like that, because a lot of people want to know how to start a damn business. And in my head, I'm like, girl, go on YouTube. Baby, follow my channel. I tells it all. Okay? So like I said, do not do something because you think everybody else is doing it. Okay? Get it done. Because I'm sure when you get it done, you're going to see people looking at you like, girl, how did you get that lip gloss in that tube? They ask questions, like serious questions, like, how did you put it in there? How did you do it? And it's like, wow, baby girl, do some research. Okay? So I want to shout out to all of y'all that's watching my video right now, that's doing the research, that's putting in the work, and that's been following these other girls, and that know that you can do it too. Okay? We out here, we gonna give money all 2020, and that's just that on that. So follow my page, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I got tons more video coming, and watch my other videos. Later, dimes.